Lesson 11. Manish and the baby bird. Manish was 8 years old. He went to school every day. One day, on his way back, he stopped near a tree to take some rest. There he saw a baby bird under a tree. It was very small and unable to fly. It was making a strange sound. Perhaps it was crying. Manish was very kind and helpful. So he though to help the baby bird. He looked up and saw a nest on the tree. Two little birds were playing in it. Manish picked up the baby bird and climbed up on the tree. He carefully put the baby bird back in its nest. The three baby birds were together again. Just then the mother bird returned. She sang a song to thank Manish for his help. Manish moved to the birds and went back home happily. Lesson 12. Mittu and the yellow mango. Listen and enjoy this story. Mittu was a parrot, a green parrot with a red wings. On one day, Mittu was flying. टेबल को हिलाए मत ना. Flying. He loved to fly. He looked down. He saw a big yellow mango. ए ट्री, ऑन है ना, ऑन ए ट्री है ना यहाँ पर। हाँ, मिट्ठू लाइक्ड मैंगोस, आई वांट टू, इसको मत हिलाओ ना, ईट दैट येलो मैंगो, ही सैड ही फ्लू डाउन टू द ट्री, केव गो अवे, दिस इज माई ट्री, सैड ए वाइस, मिट्ठू लुक्ड अप, ही saw a big black crow, cave go the crow shouted, he had a very loud voice, मिट्ठू was afraid of the crowd, he flew away. मिट्ठू saw a red balloon, it was under a tree, he had an idea, he picked up the red balloon, he was carefully not to brush it, he flew to the mango tree, the crows was sitting on the tree, मिट्ठू went behind the tree, he picked the balloon with his red beak, pop the balloon, brushed it, made a loud noise, cow said the crowd, and he fell off the tree, cave a big gun is after me, said the crow, he flew away, he never came back to the tree. मिट्ठू came to the tree, he ate the big yellow mango, yummy what a nice mango, he said he was very happy, clever मिट्ठू। अगला लेसन 13 2 little parrots two little parrots sitting on a tree. Sitting on a tree. Talking about you and me. You and me. Flowers smiling to them. Smiling to them. Sad. Why do you eat chilies and chilies all the time? Red and green, one and all. Parrots said red for our beaks and green for our feathers है ना. We eat chilies all the time. Lesson 14. Loving grandfather. Ever since grandpa fell down and spared his arm, he has changed. He has become very quiet. He does not even speak to us. He keeps sleeping the whole day. He is very sad. He does not even go out. grandpa है ना. grandpa loved to go for walks. He loved to do his exercise. We must try to make him go for a walk with us and do some exercise in the park. Grandpa, your friends are there. They will be happy to see you. Please go and talk with them. Thank you, my children, for taking me out in the fresh air. It's been a long time I have been with my friends for a walk.